Chapter 21, Think and Solve. So, number 24, highest frequency humans can hear is about 20,000 hertz, not me. And the lowest is about 20 hertz. This is for a person with really good hearing. The wavelength, sound in room temperature air. So we're talking about 340 meters a second, 343 some places in the book. And so this is a speed is equal to frequency times wavelength. And so the wavelength is just the speed divided by the frequency. So 340 divided by 20,000 or 340 divided by 20. That's basically it. Do the math. 25, a violin string plays an A, the note A, and oscillates 440 hertz. The period of the string's oscillation. This goes back to 440 hertz. That is a frequency. So he's claiming that the string vibrates 440 times a second, and so therefore the period is how much time it takes to do it once. And so 1 over 440 hertz, which would be however many seconds that is. Again, pull out a calculator. 28. So how much more intense is sound at 40 decibels than sound at 0 decibels? All right, so first off, decibel, deci, is a prefix like kilo and centi, like centimeter and kilometer, kilogram, centigram we don't deal with a whole lot, milligrams. These are prefixes. Deci is also a prefix, and it means 1/10. So if I have 40 decibels, that's 40 1/10 of a bell, which is 4 bells. And then the other one is a 0 decibels. And so that would be 0 bells, 0/10 of a bell. And so the difference in bells is from 0 to 4. And the way they have it set up is it's 10 raised to that difference there. So 10 raised to the 4th power is 10,000. So one sound is 10,000 more intense than the other. 29, although I don't think that was assigned, how much more intense is the sound of 40 decibels than 30 decibels? So that's same question as how much more intense is the sound of 4 bells than 3 bells. So that difference is 1 bell. So at 10 raised to the 1st power, so 10. So 40 decibels is 10 times stronger and more intense than a 30 decibel. If you're comparing 40 and 20 decibels, that would be 10 squared or 100 and so forth. And that's it for the Think and Solve from Chapter